Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is a Python random password generator, and we've got a couple of examples here. So the first example is to generate a numeric password, so just a password with numbers. And before we do that, we've got to import the random import randint and import the random module as well into Python. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do here, so this is the first one, we create a function called generate numeric, and we use the print command to print off a message to the user telling the user that we are generating a random password. Then we use the time module here, and we say time.sleep, and we enter a value of 1. That value of 1 equals 1 second, so it will pause the program for 1 second. Then we create a numbers variable here, and we assign it to int input. Not just input, but int, which is integer, because we're dealing with numbers here. And the message to the user is enter number of numbers. A number of numbers. So basically, if you want a password that is 5 numbers long, you're going to enter 5 into there. And then this is where the magic happens. We create the variable called password and assign it to randint, and we give it a value of 1 to 99. So that will generate a random integer or a random number between 1 and 99. And then we have to loop through it using p in range of numbers. Okay, then what we do is we print and we format the string using fstring. So we print out a message called random numerical password, and because we use the f string, we can interpolate the password into that string, so the user will then see the password in that string. So let's just run it, shall we? And we run it by calling the generate numeric. So generate numeric here, so let's just run that. Let's try and make it a little bit, there we go. Let's make it a little bit bigger than that. Okay, so enter number of numbers. I'm going to put 8 there. So let's generate a random numerical password here. Okay, so it's generated as a random numerical password. So those are all the numbers in our password. So there you go. So let's try out the next part of this, which is we'll just generate a random password here. So what we do is we create another function again, and we call this function random password. Then we create some variables here like lower letters, upper letters, chars and numbers. So lower letters are basically lowercase, and I've just typed A to K here. You can type the whole alphabet if you want, but I just done this as a quick example. And then we got the other variable here called upper letters, which is basically uppercase, and I've done A to Z here. So that will go from A to Z, and then I've done chars, which is characters, and typed in some keyboard characters here. And I've done the numbers here, which is numbers 1 to 9. And then what I've done, I've come down here, created a variable called string, and assigned it to all of these above: lower letters, upper letters, chars, and numbers. And I've basically concatenated them or joined them together. So lower letters joined to upper letters, joined to chars, joined to numbers. And then I've created another variable called number chars, assigned it to int input because we're going to be asking for a number. So it's an integer here. It will be processing an integer and not text. So that's why we have the int here. So it says number of characters there, so you just type in the number of characters that you want. So if you want a password that's 5 characters long, add 5 into there. Then I create the password variable here and assign it to join. So it's going to join all these together, and it's going to do a random thing. So it's just going to randomize everything from the string here to the number of characters. And then what we do is we use the print command and we format the string and tell the user random password is, and then we interpolate the password into the string by using fstring. Now all we have to do is to call the program, which is called random password. Okay, random password. Run the program. Make it a little bit bigger. Number of characters, I'm going to do 9 characters. Okay. There we go. Random password is. So, I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up. And drop me a comment in the comment section, because I always like to see comments there. And thank you very much for getting this far into the video. And that's just about it. So I'll catch you in another video.